hindi mo pa natutupad yung mga pangarap mo sa buhay, pero may sinisimulan kang steps and progress para matupad yun, bro, panalo ka na. All you need to do is keep moving. Bago ka umayaw, tingnan mo muna kung nasan ka na. At doon pa lang makikita mo na kung gaano nakalayo yung narating mo. Mas mag-focus ka sa present situation mo kung paano ka mag-i-improve 1% daily. Remember that, without a proper routine, you won't be consistent with your work. Some days, you would be motivated and work well. And the rest of the days, mawawalan ka ng motivation hanggang sa ma-procrastinate ka na. And ang tanging makakatulong sa'yo para magtuloy-tuloy ay magkaroon ng daily routine. Naalala ko yung sinabi ng isang battle MC na pinapanood ko dati. Libre ang mangarap pero magastos ang mabigo. And na-realize ko na nonsense kung mangangarap ka at hindi mo tutuparin. At mabibigo ka lang once na ikaw ay tumigil ng mangarap. So yun lang. This is day 36 of my self-improvement journey. See you guys tomorrow.
My paw, a thunder starts to roll.